Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Tangle Teezer, the ultimate finisher. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So this is Tangle Teezer's the ultimate finisher, which is a professional finishing hairbrush. And this one is in ultimate pink. It's also available in ultimate black. So this is not to be used with heat. And taking a look around the side of the box, there is some information or history about the Tangle Teezer brand and its founder. And taking a look at the back of the box, there is some product information about the ultimate finisher in various languages. And of course, some specifications about this hairbrush. Okay, so now let's go ahead and open up the box. But of course, undoing the back and opening up the box flap to reveal the ultimate finisher. Let's tip it out from its box packaging. And that's all there is to it. And just going to set the box on the right hand side of the frame. And just setting the ultimate finisher down in the middle so you have a nice clear view of the brush before I start handling it. So this one is in ultimate pink and it's also available in ultimate black, so two colors. And initial impressions just from handling the hairbrush, it is quite light in weight given its chunky design. As you can see, short grip but rather chunky or thick, and giving you a look at the side profile as well to the teeth of the hairbrush. So you can see the back part of the hairbrush, it is glossy, and on the main underside where the teeth are, it is matte in finish. So size-wise, resting the hairbrush in the palm of my hand, giving you some sense of scale of this ultimate finisher by Tangle Teezer. And just flipping it around. And now just going to give you a closer up side profile of this hairbrush. So you can see it does have a soft matte or very light pink on the underside or inner side of the hairbrush, and then on the back side very glossy. So right there giving you various aspects, and now a much closer up look to the teeth of the hairbrush. So you can see there are two lengths of the teeth, a fuller one and about 1/8 shorter 3/4 length one. And looking down and into the bunch of teeth of the hairbrush. And also something to note, there is a slight concave design. You can see towards the middle or center part of the teeth, it is recessed or does dip in slightly. And it does have that central channel as well. that splits the hairbrush to two sides. So very light for its size, and does have a chunky but short grip. And just giving you some sense of the design of this hairbrush. Plastic with a combination shiny glossy finish on the back and matte pink in a very, very light hue on the underside. And now, of course, quite importantly, I'm going to show you the teeth of the hairbrush up close and how firm they are, or how strong or soft. So just running my fingers along the teeth. So they're moderately stiff. As you can see, just applying some light pressure towards the ends or tips, and then applying a bit more pressure, pressing deeper into the teeth, giving you some sense of the hardness or stiffness of the teeth to this Tangle Teezer, the ultimate finisher. It's right there. Nice good look overall. So you can see that slight arch or curve to the overall hairbrush design with the kind of U shape or concave towards the middle of the hairbrush. It's right there. Nice good look at this Tangle Teezer, the ultimate finisher. So giving you, once again, a much closer look at the teeth or bristles of the brush. You can see that they do have a tapered design with a thick base that narrows and points towards the tip. So once again, running my thumb through to give you some sense of the stiffness of the teeth to this brush. So giving various levels of pressure, pressing quite hard this time around, as you can see my thumb just flicking off, and lightly as well. So right there with a double or dual length teeth design. Okay, so right now I'm gonna run the brush through my hair with a few strokes, and it does have quite an easy to use design, and of course some strands of hair have come off, but you can see very easy to just pick off from the hairbrush. So that's the Tangle Teezer, the ultimate finisher. Thanks for watching and happy brushing!